Welcome to the tutorial session on how to activate the license with AeroGCS GREEN. To get started, install AeroGCS GREEN from Google Play Store. Once the application is installed, open it and the license activation window will appear. Enter an authentic email address to proceed with license activation. Click on Submit to receive the license key on your authentic mail address. Enter the license key received on your email address and click on the Activate button to proceed. Once license is activated, users can begin to plan spraying missions with all of its functionality. Establish connection of AeroGCS GREEN with drone to map plots and plans of spraying fields. Click on the connect icon located on the upper right corner of your screen. Enter the necessary values for the specified parameters and click the connect button. Thank you for watching AeroGCS GREEN tutorial video.